Hello everyone, and thanks for watching the My Pet Loves Vets video series. We love pets just as much as you do. We're here to share information with you from veterinary experts about ways to keep your pets happy and healthy for many, many years to come. Ben Franklin once said that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. When it comes to your pet's health, that could not be more true when we talk about heartworm disease. Heartworm disease is a potentially devastating disease which affects tens of thousands of pets across the country every single year. And heartworm disease is easily preventable. Joining us now is Dr. Melissa Webster from Tampa Veterinary Hospital, who has been practicing for almost 20 years. Dr. Webster, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. It's good to be here this morning.
Now, Dr. Webster, tell me about heartworm disease and how does a pet get heartworms?
Heartworm disease is very simply spread by a mosquito biting your pet. Unfortunately, it's so serious because a dog cannot fight it off. And here in Florida, we have a ton of mosquitoes. You can't escape mosquitoes. They're outside, they can come in your home, and all you need is one mosquito biting your pet to get your dog infected with heartworm disease. Your cat can also be bitten, and your ferret, and you need to be protective of yourself because we can get heartworms.
Dr. Webster, what can happen to my pet if they're bitten by a mosquito that can spread heartworm disease?
Heartworm disease is very serious because it can kill your pet, and it's a very easy disease to prevent by monthly preventative, or even easier, we have an injection for your dog that we can give every 6 months.
So now I can have my veterinarian give my pet a shot every 6 months instead of me giving and maybe even sometimes forgetting to give my pet that monthly tablet?
Correct. You don't have to worry, and you don't have to worry about, oh my goodness, I forgot. I usually give it on the 1st, but it's now the 6th. Oh no, is my pet at risk? Your pet definitely is at risk if you forgot, because it needs to be given the same day every month. And most people have a lot of difficulty doing it, and it's okay to admit it. That's why we have a solution for you. We can give your pet a single injection now and repeat it again in 6 months.
So, Dr. Webster, how old does a dog need to be to receive this ProHeart injection? Can it be given to a puppy?
ProHeart, yes, can be given to your puppy. It's a single injection that we can administer to your puppy once your puppy is 6 months of age. The reason why we wait until 6 months is because most puppies have matured and are at their adult weight at 6 months of age.
Say the dog is older, around 10 years old. Would they be eligible to get the ProHeart injection as well?
Yes, your senior pet can receive ProHeart if it has had ProHeart injection prior, and meaning currently if your pet is 7 years and above and has never received ProHeart, we cannot give that dog ProHeart injection. But some pets have received ProHeart in the past, and even though your dog is 10, we need to talk about your pet's history, and if your pet has had ProHeart in the past, I can give it a ProHeart injection.
What about cats?
Unfortunately, ProHeart isn't appropriate for cats. We wish we had an injectable preventative for cats, but we do still have to go with monthly prevention for cats.
Thank you, Dr. Webster, for sharing with us this great information. It sounds like ProHeart is a fantastic alternative for folks who have a hard time remembering to give their dogs their monthly dose of heartworm prevention. So let's recap. Dogs between 6 months and 7 years of age can receive their first injection of ProHeart, and dogs older than 7 can get a ProHeart injection if they've received it in the past. ProHeart is for dogs only, so speak to your veterinarian to see what prevention product may be best for your other pets in the household. Remember, nobody knows your pet's health better than your veterinarian, so schedule a visit today and ask your vet if ProHeart may be right for your dog. Have a question about your pet's health? Send us an email to dvm@tampavet.com. If we answer your question on the My Pet Loves Vets video series, we'll send you a bag of treats. For the My Pet Loves Vets video series, I'm John. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.